There is nothing worse than opening up a moving box and discovering broken dishes or glasses.
Too true, Nick. Being in the moving industry, we've seen folks pack dishes in pretty much every way imaginable. But more often than not, things tend to get broken in the chaos of the move. That's why we did our homework to bring the best way to both pack and protect your dishes during a move. To help make packing your dishes more amazing, we recommend using our dish moving kit. Each kit should help you easily pack and protect a 6-piece dish setting. Our dish moving kit is designed to separate and secure items from jostling around during a move and while in storage. The cardboard separators of this kit are designed to fit perfectly inside an Amazing Spaces small moving box.
Simply slip your dish into one of the protective foam pouches and stack them securely inside the opening created by the cardboard separator. The kit is also perfect for packing fragile decorations or ornaments for seasonal storage. Need to pack more than a 6-piece dish setting? Check out our 8-piece dish moving kit, designed to be used with one of our high-quality dish boxes.
Regardless of what you plan to move, we're bound to have an amazing solution for it. Remember, at Amazing Spaces, we're more than just your storage space. We're your moving supply headquarters.